Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Someone sophisticatedly cruel took his former pet into the field and tied it to a pole. The chain, tightly bolted, was so short that the dog could neither stand nor even change position. Only by chance saved this family from death. They were noticed by a passerby. Only a miraculous accident saved this dog family from a painful death. A frightened mother and 6 puppies swarming near her noticed the passerby. It is completely incomprehensible how a dog with cubs ended up in an open field where there are practically no people. Someone sophisticatedly cruel took his former pet there and tied it to a pole. The chain, bolted almost tightly, was so short that the dog could neither stand nor even change position. Not long ago, a good citizen found a dog chained to a fence near Elphin in Ireland, along with 6 newborn puppies. That is a very exciting picture because even the mother dog is crushed with a short chain that is so tight it can barely move, but it still tries to breastfeed the children. How much she lay there, even without being able to find food and water, is not known. She had minimal chances of salvation in a deserted area, but like a good mother, she desperately tried to save the life of at least her cubs. When they were found, an extremely exhausted dog continued to feed the babies. The whole family was immediately taken to the veterinarian, says volunteer Irina Rusanova. The animals were hungry and frozen. Fortunately, they did not have other serious health problems. The condition was not very good, but now they are closely watched by the staff of the animal shelter. When they were found, an extremely exhausted and frightened dog continued to feed the babies. Now the whole family is already safe. For the mother, they found loving owners, and the puppies will be attached when they get a little stronger. Now, the whole family is already safe. Loving owners were found for the mother, and puppies will be moored when they get a little stronger.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.